गुरुभ्यो नमः ओम गम गणपतये नमः ओम हुम हनुमते नमः ओम रम रामाय नमः ओम मातेश्वरी नमो नमः ओम मातृपितृचरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. Welcome to Astrology for You. I myself Acharya Sanjay. So in this video we'll discuss about Capricorn sign, Makar Rashi, and November month, the planetary position and Rashi Phala, monthly horoscope, monthly prediction for Capricorn. About your health, wealth, money, politics, power, and your career and all these things. So before that, it is very essential to know the position of planet from your sign. Now in the second house, Saturn is there. In third house, Rahu is there. And in fifth house, Jupiter, Brahaspati, Guru is there. And in ninth house, Ketu is there. And in 10th house, Sun transit towards your 11th house. And that same Mercury transit towards your 11th house. In 11th house, Venus transit towards your last house, 12th house. And this is all about the planetary position from your sign. Now about your health. So health condition for Capricorn in this month, particularly November. Naturally, it is a good month for all the Capricorn sign, because the 10th house is activated by Sun. Though here Sun is in delicate condition, but then also it is good for Bhava Bala. So house energy is so good. And another part is, no doubt in the present scenario that Mars is also in your 7th house from Capricorn sign, but it is in debilitation condition. And now the retrogression moment will start, particularly Jupiter and Mars, and also now. And another part is that Saturn moment. It complete its retro moment, and full forward motion will start. So this month health condition, no doubt, in the Capricorn sign, Mars aspect to this house and Ketu aspect to this house. No doubt there will be some problem, but Jupiter aspect to this house. That's why health condition is near about 70% good, 30% may create problem, but Jupiter aspect is nectar aspect, energy is there. That's why you will save from all kind of health condition. But some people, those who are not till now complete their rituals of Shani sadhesati, they may face some problem, which particularly health related problem. Otherwise, mental related problem also, slow down of mind, slow down of brain, breakdown of mind, and procrastination and unwillingness and laziness. All these things may appear in your life for Capricorn sign, but not for all. Okay. Then the second house, money house, family house, speech house, Saturn is there, and it starts its general motion. Then remember it, there will be more chance to fulfill all the demands, and there will be more chance for money gaining up again. Recovery of money or regaining of money, or the solution for your all kind of loans and all this thing. And also it completes, it restart your general life condition on account of Shani sadhesati and Shani related problem. So it completes its journey in the retro motion journey in this year. Then the next year condition is there. That's why no doubt the condition is not so good. See here, certain stagnant emotion is there, stagnant, and after that it starts its general fast forward motion or full forward motion, and it away from the Bakri effect. That's why it may take time, but it will give you good result about account of your about your money and family and speech and all these things. And in third house, younger brother, small younger brothers, and your communication, your neighbors and your friend circles, and your small distance student travels. And the third house, Rahu is there in full power and not aspected by any planet. That's why it will, though Rahu Ketu axis is there, but the third is very good for you for different tour and travels, and also earning money from communication and all this thing. And though now in this time period that Capricorn sign people are somehow friendless or alone, but the support may come to your life in this condition. Now about the fourth house, land, property, money, happiness, mother. This fourth house. This Lord is, delicate condition in the seventh house and not aspect to this house. And also the energy of this house is very less. Though Sunny and Mars both aspect to this house, be a lot about this. Some, there'll be chance that something losses and missing or theft by somebody and all this thing um, this is not so good condition. That's why don't, if you have any planning to purchasing any vehicle and land and properties, don't make such kind of decision. Don't decide, don't take decision for purchasing all this thing. It is not so good time period. Fifth house, love, relationship, education and children, it is in good condition, no doubt. And also this condition of Jupiter retro moment, it will support you very much, no doubt. And it is more powerful, and many more people ask me about that, how why Jupiter just not giving good result in the fifth house. Now this is the time period that Jupiter bound to give you good result on account of fifth house, enhancement of knowledge, money and children, and about son and all this thing, son, children and education and spiritual development and all this thing. Jupiter will give you everything, and it is a really period of Shani sadhesati and certain 7.5 year the related problems. Now Jupiter will solve away all this thing. But the seventh house condition is not so good. So that Mars is aspected by Rahu, and naturally in the spouse, your and your partnership condition is not so good. The business condition is not so good. But after that Mars retro moment, the Nichbhang, then you may see there will be good result. And student distance student travels, and all kind of other business related program will be program will success in your life. That's a good thing. About your luck and fate, this house is aspected by Jupiter. That's why don't worry. This is the best time zone for Capricorn sign to support its luck. Less effort, more result. Okay. But if people since last 7.5 years, those people are suffered, like nothing, different kind of economical crisis and blackmailing and cheating and fraud by somebody, and love relationship break up, and family spouse break up, and some people have no money for their school fees and tuition fees and all kind of such kind of problem, and losses of self-respect and all this thing. This is the right time period to recovery. But remember it, if your birth chart is in problemable condition, the conjunction of planet is not in good condition, then Capricorn sign people may have somehow they need, they want, they it is very essential for them to wait for next 4 and 5 months, then only, or if it is not, then after September of 2025, you may get rid of away from all kind of problem, particularly all this kind of sunny sadhesati related problem. See, this is the platform, after March, the Sunny and Rahu both, and in Pisces sign, that is Rapita Yoga. This is a very negative time zone, very negative time period in this time. So this is a platform. This month is a platform for that, because Sunny now movement towards the Rahu, and Rahu move towards the Sunny, and both are conjunct with each other within 10 degree. It will give you the negative result type condition. Okay, anything. Not about next about 10 and 11. See, alternately, this 2 month is very good for Capricorn sign, because the Sun and all the three planet, Mercury and Venus, movement towards this. That's why it is not essential to explain all this thing for Capricorn sign. This is good month. This 2 month is very good month. After that, when the whole planet in 12th house, that may create that will create problem. Otherwise, this month is so supportive, and there will be more chance for job and new opportunities, and new people may come to your life. And the benefit house is also after 17th of November, so when Sun enter into your 11th house, then you'll see there's a great and solid time period for Capricorn sign this month particularly. And after that Mercury also enter into this house. Naturally it will be the good time zone, good time period for you. But yeah, if you just not complete your rituals and all kind of Shani sadhesati related or your bachat related, all the bad conjunction or negative conjunction, then you may in problem. Otherwise, this is the best month for all. Thank you.